Hey Aries, this is Sai. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a reading for all that you need to know about your soulmate, your connection. Also, we're going to pick a few cards for your career or your finances. This is going to be for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. So yes, let's start. This is going to be for the next 7 days, where things are going and what I need to know about your situation. So let's start with you. First three cards for you, and then we move to your person. So let's start. With Six of Cups right now, you are very much thinking about someone. I don't think you're completely single. In the recent past as well, you were very much missing someone, but right now I see you more thinking than missing. With top card we have is Seven of Swords. You might not be exactly talking to them, but you could be kind of like reminiscing the old times, maybe the good memories, all that you guys have been through, good and bad. Okay, but mostly you're wanting to think about the good times. Okay, one more card in terms of what's coming for you. Okay, for many of you, I think your finances are going to be getting better, but your love life still sucks. Okay, for many of you, there's this Virgo person coming in your life who could be slightly elder. If it's not a Virgo, I see someone who's slightly elder than you, possibly coming in your life, but this person is way too practical. Usually Aries like someone passionate and fun, right? But I say this person being a little practical. In terms of your finances, things are going to be looking very good. Okay, just make decisions which are going to help you in the long run, not something that is short and sweet. Okay, so, like something that benefits you in the long run. Okay, in terms of what to expect for the next 7 days, Aries. Seven of Wands. I still believe when it comes to your soulmate connections, this person is still maintaining distance. There's still this ghosting phase going on in your life. Okay, in terms of your relationship, what's to come? Relationship. We have the Empress card. Why is the Empress card here for Aries relationships? Okay. With Nine of Wands, I still believe that many of you guys haven't really given up on a connection that you once wanted to. Okay, I still feel that you're holding on to it. You might not be actively, like being a part of it, but you still haven't given up on it. Okay, bottom card we have is Five of Cups. Top card we have is King of Swords. So you're still pretending to be fine when you're not fine. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they going through? One card for Aries soulmate. Why is the Ten of Cups here? Okay, I believe this person is making you wait. Okay, but the problem is this person cannot be completely single. I do believe they have someone in their life. For many of you, your person already be a part of a commitment or maybe an engagement or something like something that sort. Okay, with Ace of Cups, this person does love you, but I believe they had chosen to be a part of someone else in the like in the past. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you. Yeah. With Four of Cups, this person is somewhat ghosting you or staying away or maintaining distance, not really wanting to, stay open to you, not even accepting your offer if you had offered them something like, if you had asked them for reconsidering this relationship. I still do not see this person, like giving it any sort of attention. In terms of why are they doing this? Eight of Pentacles. So give me a clarifier. For some of you, this person is very focused on their dreams, their wish fulfillment, their goals. Okay, it should not be a relationship for everyone. I see this person focused too much on their own self, their finances, their success overall. Okay, for some of you, yes, there could be a third party which your person is very much working hard on. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, now how do they feel for Aries? King of Cups. One more card in terms of their heart space. Okay, in terms of their heart space, I would say that in the past, you guys were very much passionate with this individual. Okay, you guys had an amazing physical relationship, amazing chemistry. You guys flirted like anything. Okay, like very sexually. But now I see this person being silent. I don't see them actively being around you. Okay, top card, they have been keeping you waiting, not just waiting. Some of them could be also keeping you like an option. Okay, in terms of do they love you or they just want to have you as a third party? What is it, Spirit? Okay, to be very honest, I still believe this person is wanting to maintain distance despite having those feelings for you. It's not just passion, they do have emotions, but trust me when I say this, they are trying to stay away. They have been controlling their feelings for you, but at the same time, this person is also trying to stay away or walk away. They're basically not wanting this relationship to get anywhere, at least for the next 7 days. Okay. In terms of their intentions towards Aries, please. To basically keep you at crossroads, not really give you any sort of closure or answer in terms of what action I want to take towards you. I don't see any action from their side. Okay, this person just gonna keep you waiting. Okay, in terms of what to expect. This person might want to stay friends with you, but I do not see them actively wanting to be or having a relationship with you. But they still might want to consider being friends with you. Okay, in terms of where this is going for now. Ten of Wands. This has got to a point where you should consider giving up or possibly staying open to something else, because right now I do not see your person focusing on you or wanting to reconsider this connection. Okay, they're trying to find their happiness elsewhere. I'm sorry to give this reading this way, but to be very honest, your person is not that wanting to be a part of you as much as they want to be a part of either their financial life or their third party situation. Okay, in terms of where things could be going for now until the end of the month. But your finances are going to look great. Okay, with Queen of Pentacles, there are good chances that you might still want to hold on to it. Okay, problem in terms of new love, or do we see anything coming towards Aries? Three of Wands. You might be talking to someone who is long distant. Okay, just to distract yourself. For many of you, I believe this person could also be heartbroken, but the problem is this person is very silent. They are not very communicative, and top card majorly long distance. So many of you guys could be dealing with someone long distance if it's a new relationship. Okay, in terms of your finances, what's to come? Finances are looking great, like the best you guys ever have been a part of. Like very stable, very much growing. With Strength card, you guys are utilizing every resource to help you grow. Okay, you guys are possibly putting in all the hard work, which is going to lead to a lot of changes. The Tower is a good card in terms of changes. Okay, so yes, overall with the Knight of Swords, you're very focused on your finances. So I see that going really well for you. Okay, so let's take some love messages. All that my dear friends need to know from your person. Like, mind you, your person still loves you, but they are still not wanting to do anything with you for now. They might still consider friendship, but nothing more than that, at least for now. Okay. So what does Aries need to know from their soulmate? Okay, we have a card. Yeah, second, another card, please. Okay, what fell off? Okay, we have I am ashamed of all I have made you go through. Okay, second card we have is my practical mind gave up on you, but my heart still belongs to you. Last card we have is I like you a lot, but I have, but no, I'm still getting that they still like you, but there is a but in the picture. Okay, I can only offer you a third party connection. I can't decide my life blockages. So this person might be having other blockages. Either they are married, or either they are fixed some way, or they have some work commitments or family commitments, but they have some blockages. They can only offer you a third party or friendship. That is all I see for now. I know this was a very much a brutal reading, but that's how I like to do it. I don't like to give you any sort of false hope. for making you feel good about the connection. Okay, so yes, this is all I have for you. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button if you're wanting to. That is really helping my channel to grow. If you really feel it deserves a like, you may possibly hit one. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you want a personal reading which comes off like this, then please go to my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.